Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am Meenakshi and today I'll tell you how you can make hot sizzling brownie at home. So when I was thinking of instant brownie recipe, this recipe finally stuck my mind and I thought why not to give a try. So the brownie recipe which I'm going to share is very quick and easy. So let's quickly start with the ingredients. The ingredients are 2 packet of Oreo biscuits of chocolate flavor, 2 teaspoon of sugar, that is optional, a pinch of baking powder, hardly 1/4 teaspoon, and yes, 1 full cup milk. For the assembly of chocolate brownie, you will need Hershey's chocolate syrup and of course vanilla ice cream. That's all. Now take a mixer grinder. Start adding Oreo biscuits by breaking them into half. After that you have added the biscuits, you will add the sugar and the milk. You'll not add baking soda here, we'll add that afterwards. You can give 3 to 4 minutes and it's done. So you can check the consistency, it's not very thick, not too thin. Now take a microwave safe bowl in which you want to make your brownie and grease it with the olive oil or any refined oil. Now add your batter to that bowl. Transfer all of them with the help of a spatula. I must say that this brownie is so quick and easy to make. So now you can add your baking powder here and mix it with the help of a spoon or a spatula. Mix it very carefully. So whenever I want an exciting dessert for my family and guests, I just make this recipe. Now just tap the bowl to remove any air bubble. Keep it in the microwave for 4 to 5 minutes and check in between. Keep checking after 2 to 3 minutes, and if you think it's ready, you can take it out even before. So after 4 to 5 minutes my brownie is ready. So allow it to cool properly and then you can remove the sides with the help of a knife. So after it has been cooled down properly, you can just take out from the cake tin and transfer it to your plate. So after that you have shifted to the plate. See how spongy the brownie has turned out to be. So now you need to cut it into 2 halves. You can even cut it into 4 parts if you want. It's totally your choice. This is my sizzler tray. So this is the tray I'll be heating on the gas. So just keep the sizzler tray on medium flame for 5 minutes. So once heated, put it back on the wooden tray with the help of tongs very carefully and place a piece of brownie on the top. Now keep 2 scoops of vanilla ice cream on the top of the brownie. Now pour chocolate sauce as much as you like. So in few minutes you'll see chocolate sauce sizzling. Oh my god, the taste is just amazing. Nothing can be more satisfying than this, I bet you. So why waiting? Dig in your spoon and enjoy this hot and cold combination of this dessert. This sizzling noise just brings a smile on my face. So do try this easy peasy and instant recipe soon in your kitchen and do let me know in the comment section how it turned out for you. But before that, please guys hit the like button if you like my video. Please and do subscribe it if you haven't subscribed yet. And yes, a big shout out to my follower Archana Gupta from Europe for sharing my videos. And if you want a shout out in my next video, share my videos and let me know in the comment section.